God found me a woman. My woman, my priority. She fell in love with the wire. She means the whole world to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You love me better than I love myself. I just want you to know. You trust me better than I trust myself. I just wanna give you love. Cause when I close my eyes, I know you are right here with me by my side forever. Do you know how much I plan for you? Oh, pray for so long for you, darling. Be my voice.
James, I love him so much. Happy Valentine's Day, and also happy Valentine's Day to everyone who will be in the wedding ceremony.
Amenivua vazi la aibu na moyo wangu wakati sina budi ila nimusifu.
Chari Suma, pokea pete hii iwe ishara ya mapendo yangu na uaminifu wangu kwako, kwa jina la Baba, la Mwana, la Roho Mtakatifu. Amen.
Kwamba rasmi James na Grace rasmi ni bwana na bi harusi.
Asante kwa kunipokea, niwe mume wako nawe uwe mke katika nyumba yangu.
Usingizi kanitoroka, moyoni nakesha ngoma, kwa subira nimengoja penzi hili la thamana. Tangu tulipo
tukakutana, nafsi zetu kapatana, na ni mbali tumetoka tangu kuchumbiana. Siku yetu imefika, hakuna tayezuia, ajalie Maulana, pete tutavishana. Mie nimeshapatikana na yule mume wa mapenzi shanienzi. Mie milele nishazama, sinitafute kule kwa mabinti nishahama. Angalia ishara, tazama ishara, angalia ishara, mimi shahama. Angalia ishara, tazama ishara.
Baba we, yo, this way, yo. Cause I can't take it. 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 Oh, it's hard.
I met her in the year 2021 when I was in teaching practice at a former secondary school that is called Kikwete Girls, and we started talking, we started having fun, and I saw some qualities of a good wife that I was looking, and I made a move. I approached her, and she agreed. It wasn't easy since 2021 up to day 2026, February 14. So there is up and down, but through prayers of God, we have made it. And I'm happy also to get married on a Valentine's Day, which is a love day. So we have actualized our day, the true love. Thank you for my darling wife, Grace Chari. I love you, and our life will be better. In togetherness, we will stand.